Let's turn now to Tuna Amobi to talk more about Netflix and the coming streaming wars. Tuna's with CFRA Research. Good to see you again. Welcome back.
Thanks, Bill. Good afternoon.
Is Netflix, in your view, ready for the added competition?
Well, I think they've been doing everything possibly that they can to get ready for the intensified competition. We've seen them ratchet up their content spending and starting to skew those from licensed toward original, and that trend will continue. Next year, we expect that they could go from 15 billion cash content potentially up to 17 billion or more. So you see that that pathway is really preparing them for quite some time. My sense is that they're gonna, obviously be one of the potential winners here.
What about the subscriber growth, which came in a little bit short, certainly still healthy, but short of what Wall Street was looking for? Does that concern you at all, that it's coming at this juncture right before all that competition?
That's right, Sue. I think that's an important observation at this point in Netflix's life cycle. We're seeing kind of a bifurcation of growth where the U.S., on the one hand, is showing signs of maturity. On the other hand, I think there's still a lot of potential upside on the international market, of which we think local language production is going to be one of the catalysts for international growth. Also, markets like India, where they're kind of shifting towards mobile first. So all in all, I think there's really a lot to be said about the upside internationally. In the U.S., I think it's inevitable that when you look at what's happening, that there's definitely going to be some kind of peaking of that growth for Netflix sooner than later.
Quickly, next month it's Apple Plus and Disney Plus. Early next year it's Peacock, which is owned by our company Comcast that owns us, and then HBO Max. Who provides the greatest competition, do you think, for Netflix?
I'd have to say it's, Disney, for what I think are obvious reasons here. I think the content pipeline that Disney brings to the table with their Disney Plus, frankly, it's groundbreaking and potentially, second to none. So you throw in all the other companies you mentioned, everyone is kind of pulling out all the stops, ratcheting up their spending, and don't forget also pulling up their most popular shows off of Netflix, which, again, trying to give themselves a good head start in what is really becoming an intensifying landscape.
Tuna Amobi with CFRA Research. Again, thanks for joining us tonight.
Thank you, Bill.